A challenge was made and accepted. Acclaimed celebrity chefs, your favorite Food Network stars, and our judges battle it out to win $50,000 for their favorite charity. This is Chopped All-Stars. Full speed, non-stop. This celebrity tournament has taken off. 2 spots in the $50,000 All-Stars finale have already been claimed. Looking to fill the 3rd, we are joined by 4 chefs we got to know on Food Network's Star. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket. Also available to you, our pantry and fridge. When the clock runs out, our judges will critique your dishes on presentation, taste, and also creativity. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And for the appetizer course, we have razor clams, breakfast radishes, green grape tomatoes, and shrimp paste. You have exactly 20 minutes on the clock. Starting now.
Right back you.
I'm gonna make a nice pub-style clam, and I'm gonna make a nice briny broth out of wine, garlic, and shallots. And my son and my daughter, because of the work ethic that I'm showing them, they're gonna be some bad-to-the-bone dude and dudettes.
On Food Network Star, I was the supposed best cook at the show, but I was often called like rigid or wooden. So finally competing solely based on cooking, I want to win this all-star competition so badly. The dish I'm going to make is razor clams in a spicy Thai broth with green grape tomatoes and a chilled radish salad.
I belong on this network. I bring flavors and feistiness that the network needs. I am going to make a clam stuffed green grape tomato in a shrimp sauce.
But now, a lot's changed. I've grown up. This is Chopped All-Stars. It's very serious. I decided I'm gonna make white wine herb poached razor clams and roasted green tomatoes with a little bit of truffle oil. My plates are actually done. I'm just hoping the judges are gonna love it because game face is on and I'm ready to shine.
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Get that food on the plate, Vic. Get it on there, brother.
3, 2, 1. Time's up, chefs. Please step back. What kind of appetizer did you come up with, Chef Vic?
I went for like a pub-style clam, and then I took the grape tomatoes and sauteed them in the shrimp paste.
And next we go to Chef Penny.
It is a cumin-infused razor clam stuffed green tomato.
Next up, Chef Justin.
That is a Thai broth steamed razor clam with a chilled radish salad. Used fresh ginger, lemongrass, garlic, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, and sesame oil.
Last appetizer, Chef Chris.
Thank you. I have a white wine and herb poached razor clam. On the bottom of your plate, you have truffle roasted green tomatoes and sauteed radishes.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Chris, you've been chopped.
Thank you.
You made it to the 2nd round. Chef Vic, Chef Penny, Chef Justin, please open your baskets. And for the entree round, you must use culotte steak, Okinawa sweet potatoes, turnips, and strawberry leather.
Interesting. I haven't seen strawberry leather since my lunchbox days.
30 minutes on the countdown clock. Starting now.
Right now, I'm the target here, but Justin and Penny are gonna have a hard time taking me down. This is what I want more than anything. For this dish, I'm thinking meat and potatoes all the way. Blackened culotte steak over some sweet potato, bacon, and green onion hash.
I get dried pears, molasses, cinnamon, garlic powder, and turmeric. I can start creating this gorgeous sauce.
I am doing a grilled culotte steak over in Okinawa on sweet potato puree. I'm in wilted turnip grains with a little bit of bacon and grain mustard. Being on Chopped, I feel like where I'm supposed to be. I was made for this.
Come on, you guys. All the elements have to be on the plate.
I have seconds left to plate. My heart is racing. I want to get to the finale so bad.
The clock does not wait, even for all-stars chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. What do we have, Chef Penny?
Well, I wanted to bring the flavors of Morocco. I pan-seared the steak, and I did a glaze with red onion, Kalamata olives, the strawberry leather, and a mashed Okinawa sweet potatoes.
All right, Chef Penny, thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, Chef Justin.
So that's gonna be the grilled culotte steak over the Okinawa sweet potato puree. I've got the greens that have been lightly wilted with a little bacon, butter, and salt.
And now, Chef Vic.
I did a blackened seasoning on the culotte. I made a hash out of the sweet potatoes, tossed it in with the bacon and butter. I made a sauce out of the strawberry leather to put over the hash and try to make it like an all-American dish.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Justin, you've been chopped. Face to face, Chef Penny, Chef Vic, in a stare down. Anybody gonna flinch?
You said you were gonna take me out in the beginning, so here's your chance.
Looking forward to it.
Please open them up. And the mandatory ingredients for the final round: mango chutney, white apricots, blue cornmeal, and bacon bits.
Okay, see what happens.
30 minutes for the final round. Clock starts now. Judges, soon we will know which one of these Food Network stars is going to the finale, baby.
I don't really do desserts that often, but I gotta win this. $50,000, St. Jude's Ranch. They're really depending on me. So I'm thinking bread pudding. There's that big, beautiful loaf of brioche just staring at me. So cut off the ends, saturate it in butter, and kind of stick it in a souffle cup that I can throw in the oven.
I want this so badly. I want this for the Gramercy Housing Group. I want this for redemption. I want this to say, you know what? I do belong on this network. I am making a white apricot stuffed phyllo dough with a mascarpone and heavy cream yogurt sauce. I already have in mind going up against the bigger stars of Iron Chef and the Food Network hosts and the Chopped judges.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. So please tell us what you came up with, Chef Vic.
What I did was my take on a summer pudding. I incorporated the blue cornmeal into the ricotta cheese, poured into the bread, and then I added the flambéed fruit, and then you have your two side sauces.
Last dessert, Chef Penny.
What I've made for you today is a beautiful phyllo cup. Inside you have a yogurt, mascarpone cheese, and heavy cream with some honey.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Give me 5 right now. Good job, sister.
Chef Vic,
Yes, sir.
you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Penny Davidi, that you are the chopped champion and that we will see you back here for the All-Stars finale. $50,000 for charity on the line. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.